Hello friends, welcome back to our 37 in 1 sensor series. Today we are discussing about our second sensor, that is the two color LED sensor. This is a common cathode red and green LED module Arduino tutorial that show how to use the common cathode red and green LED module from 37 in 1 sensor kit for Arduino. This tutorial shows the basic use of two dual color LED module with the Arduino. The 37 in 1 sensor kit module for Arduino contains two 3-pin LED modules that both have a dual color LED. One module contains a 5mm LED and the other module contains a 3mm LED. Consider on the circuit diagram of LED module. As can be seen in the circuit diagram, the left pin of LED module is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. The middle pin of the LED module is connected to pin 6 of Arduino through 2K2 resistor. The right pin of the LED module connects to pin number 5 of the Arduino through the 220 ohm resistor. Arduino pins 5 and 6 were chosen to control the LED because they are both PWM pins. PWM pins on these pins is available but optionally, so the LED module can be switched on and off or PWM controlled. Now come on to the principal operation of LED module. The two color LED is basically two LEDs in one LED package. The cathode of each LED are connected together and are found on a single common pin of the LED package. Hence it is a common cathode device. Consider on the LED module pins. Each anode pin from each LED has its own pin on the LED device package. Through the middle pin of the LED, it is a common cathode. This is the route to the left pin of the module board. The middle pin of the module is the anode for the red LED. Considering on the pins of the module, each anode pins from each LED has its own pin on the LED device package. Although the middle pin of LED itself is the common cathode, this is the routed to the left pin of the module board. The middle pin of the module is the anode for the red and LED, and the right pin of the module is the anode for the green LED. Now powering the LED module. Within the common anode connected to the ground or negative of the power supply, the green and red LEDs can be switched on by applying the positive of the power supply to each anode through a current limiting resistor. Each color can be switched on individually or both can be switched at the same time. Now I'll show you how you can interface your LED module to the Arduino. Thus this is all about the LED sensor. In the next video I will teach you about our third sensor, that is the joystick. For more updates, join our online classes and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned.